Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I am looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Goldwing Master Pro EA. First thing I notice here is that this is actually an expert advisor that is designed for both MT4 and MT5, although this is the MT5 version that we are discussing in this video. All right, scrolling through, I can see that it is developed by Sujit Kumar Patel, and the latest version here is version 1.2, updated on November 23rd, 2024, with 5 activations available. So this gives me a quick idea of how recent the update is and how the licensing is structured. Now, looking at the pricing section, it's available for a full purchase at 499 US dollars, or you can rent it monthly starting at 99 US dollars, with longer rental options going up to a yearly plan at 399 US dollars. 3 months is going for 249 US dollars, 6 months is going for 349 US dollars. Okay, so this is shown as offering the yearly plan is shown as offering the best savings. So there is a flexible access model depending on how someone wants to try it. Now, as I scroll into the description, the EA is presented as a gold trading expert advisor designed for prop firm and funded account environments. It is mainly focused on XAUUSD trading, and the developer highlights it as a solution aimed at structured execution rather than manual trading decisions. Moving into the setup details, I can see a few important configuration notes here. The default settings are optimized for XAUUSD on the M5 time frame, which basically means the 5-minute chart is the primary reference point. It's also mentioned that it can be used on other time frames, and higher time frames may also work depending on the user's approach. One key setting highlighted here is the use of use trailing equal to true, which suggests trailing logic is part of the risk or trade management approach. Another important input is the max trade settings, where it's recommended to keep it around 3 to 5 maximum trades at once. That already tells me the EA is designed with controlled exposure in mind rather than overloading the account. Now, moving into the features section overall, what stands out is that this EA is structured around predefined settings and managed execution rules, especially for gold trading. So instead of users needing to build complex configurations, it is more about following the recommended setup for stability and consistency. All right, so I have now moved into the strategy tester section for the historical review. And what I'm going to do now is to just briefly go through the provided information here. Okay, this seems to be an interesting balance and equity curve that we have here, steady growth. All right, and then we can also see the back-tested results provided by the developer. From an initial deposit of $100,000, we have a total net profit of $71,485.25. The profit factor was 1.33, and the total trades taken we have 1,534. And out of 1,534 trades, 814 were profitable. That gave us a profitability rate of 53%, 53.06% profitability. And then we can see that the average profit was 351.93, average loss 298.59. So this also tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not far from 1:1. All right. And let's just head over to our strategy tester as well, so we can see how this EA performed. Using recent market data, very recent market data, we're testing the Goldwing Master Pro EA on XAUUSD on the M5 time frame as recommended, and we're testing it just from the beginning of this month till date, so covering about 10 days of market data. And then for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. But I'm going to recommend that if you're interested in this EA, you should actually test it over a longer period of time, so that you can be able to capture more market data, get a wider range of market conditions for more accuracy. All right. So looking at the back tested results from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 12,000, negative 12,000 actually. So there was a decline of almost 13% of the balance. Total net profit negative 12,950.02. The total trades taken were 556. Out of that 556, 267 were profitable. That gave us 48.02% win rate. And then the average profit was 296.45, while the average loss was 318.69. So in this case, the average risk to reward ratio is bad because the average loss is bigger than the average profit, right? So when you put that side by side with the win rate, which is not even up to 50%, it's not surprising to see a negative net profit, a decline of almost 13%, or of the balance over about 10 days. All right. So as I scroll through the historical chart, I can see periods where the EA is active and then pauses depending on market conditions, right? So I want to pay attention to how the EA handles entries, how it interacts with the market, and how trade sequences are structured based on the configured max trades limit. The kind of behavior exhibited by the EA usually reflects how the logic responds to volatility and timing conditions built into the system, especially on lower time frames like M5. Now, one thing I'm noticing in this backtest view is that trade activity seems to cluster around specific market movements, rather than constant over trading. That aligns with the idea of controlled exposure mentioned in the settings. At this point, I prefer to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Longer historical testing periods generally give a more reliable understanding of how an EA behaves across different market environments rather than focusing on short segments alone. So I'll still recommend running extended backtests yourself as well, just to get a clearer picture of how the EA behaves under different volatility phases, spreads, and execution conditions. Now, talking about the results, what I can say from this historical testing view is that this EA's performance is highly dependent on its configuration settings, especially things like lot size, max trades, trailing settings, and overall broker execution conditions. So instead of looking at this as a fixed outcome system, it is better to view it as a tool that behaves differently depending on how it is deployed. Factors like spread, slippage, and risk configuration can significantly change how the results appear over time. Overall, this is a structured, goal-focused EA designed around XAUUSD, and traders should remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. And the EA seems to have a strong emphasis on controlled trade management and configurable exposure settings. But like any expert advisor, I would strongly suggest testing it thoroughly in a demo or strategy tester environment, you know, um, before considering any live or funded account usage. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.